Guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the discover or how to discover friends on the Rednote application. So the first thing, go to the Rednote as you see, and here this is the explore page. You go to this three lines here, click on it, and here you will find this discover friends. Click on it, and as you see here you can follow anyone. You can discover friends. Here you can discover the contact, and that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.